just come and throw out articles out there. You throw out an article, you know you have thoroughly researched, especially when you are writing about a community that is not your own. Yes. I boldly wrote about this in because I wrote from a position of knowledge. Yes. What knowledge? The knowledge that in 1976, the president of Nigeria then, General Olusegun Obasanjo, invited 2 kings to meet with him. Obi Edward Tukuyemofulwe and Ubulu-Uku Issele-Uku. The discussion was, we are looking for Queen Edia's mask to use for FESTAC 77, but the British government have refused to release them to us. Any of the Benin artifacts. So I heard you have a mask. You also have a mask. Can we have it? So Ubulu-Uku brought a Sige's mask to Lagos. Obi of Ubulu-Uku brought Ozomi Yoba mask, 12th century mask, older than all the Benin masks. A Sige mask is 1505. That was when a Sige by himself brought it to Olibo and gave to him as a gift. Oh. So that is what you see them put in the entrance of Issele-Uku today, and you see them saying we are from Benin. From Benin.
Can you imagine?
One brought a gift and gave to the king. They call it Issele-Uku.
Yes, just like an award.
The people who are not in the real Issele-Uku, who are in Issele-Uku, call it Issele-Uku. Somebody was arguing that okay, Uku means great in Benin. I said okay, no problem. What does Uno mean in Benin? He was arguing with me as well that Ubulu-Uku means Ubulu. They have a name for it, it's a tree, but Uku also means great. If I asked him, what does Ani Ubulu, Ani mean in your Benin language?
They don't know.
The thing is that when people like Bellucci is speaking, he's speaking from a position of knowledge. And I respect his. If I watch every video he posts from beginning to end,
I will share his.
I'm very happy the way he's going about it. I was very furious the way I went about it the first time. So that they highly respected somebody from Delta North called me and called one of our brothers. I don't want to mention his name because we're recording a video, and advised the 2 of us as young people. Why are you people quarreling? You know what you know. You know what you know. Continue like that, both of you. If I put out the video, this young man will copy the video, go to his page and blast me. And since I know him, he has been on 13,000 followers. I'm just hitting 100,000 now. He's still at 13,000 because of stubbornness, lack of ability to unlearn and relearn.
Ignorance.
You have to unlearn and relearn for you to learn new things. Because when you think you have known it all, I've known it, that's it. Why do we have a name for Benin people if they are one of us? The Benin people in Ubulu, we call them Ndidu.
Yes.
So it signifies that this is where this
are the quarters
to join us. In Ubulu-Uku, we have Olije, who say they are from Benin. But I tell them it's not Benin. Since you are from close to Benin, that's why you assume you are from Benin.
They are from a banket.
In a banket.
Yes.
Only they in Ubulu-Uku. And those ones in Ubulu-Uku clearly maintain that they are from that Benin side, which is a banket. They speak our language. We all they forbid what we forbid, because one interesting thing about our ancestors is that they don't just bring anybody in and you become one of us. Yes. When they bring you in, the man through whom you want to be assimilated is a family. You go and pet with a family, live with them for a while. They will study your character for years and present you before able to say, this man wants to become one of us.
Yes.
Through my family. They will now kill goat that he brought and use it to swear him to an oath that you are now one of us. You are now going to be forbidding what we forbid and eat what we eat. You will not make war against us. You will not bring any calamity upon us. You will agree. They will kill the goat and induct him to become one of us. These people who are saying they are not one of us, they forbid what we forbid. I've challenged one of them to say, if you are not one of us, it's very simple. Just bring AD, kill and eat. Let's see how it gets. You can't try it now. They have started forbidding what we forbid. We are now one.
Yes.
It is now you. That was what led them to go and fight Ngo Pest. Ngo Pest said, we have accepted you, we are now one. It is now you that is going about to tell them you are a slave.
Yeah,
so, my brother, thank you so much for the good work you are doing.
And a cultural forum with enough wisdom.
Yes, so that is small.
Wisdom, too more.
Bellucci, they give trouble.
Hey!
And over to the world.
Yeah, so